Hi everyone, it's Brandon Strupower from All American Thrills here, and this is our 10th Laff Trakk construction update. It's been a little while since we've had an update because of some inclement weather. You can see some snow, so a lot has happened with Laff Trakk. As you just saw a little sneak peek of the building. The steel supports for the building are totally vertical and up now, so we're just about to take off, fly ALTair over the site, and see what's been going on. Let's go. Okay, here we go. ALTair taking off now. You can see off in the distance the large supports for the building of Laff Trakk. We're gonna get closer to the site, but first we need to bring ALTair up a little bit higher so we can start to move it back closer to the building. And now here we are moving closer. At this closer angle, you can really see how large the supports are and how large the building's going to be. Also down below, you can see some more steel supports for the building, which I suspect will probably be erected next week. Also, you can see the roof for the one side, the one half of the building has been started. That's actually the taller half of the building. One half of the building is larger than the other. And the larger half actually is about 80 feet up. We're moving closer now, and we're just about to do a overhead flyby of the roof, over the roof. Down in Midway America, we mentioned in one of our past updates, the food carts and trailers have been removed, and now we also have one of the games trailers that's been removed. Also, the Ferris wheel, the white supports there, you can see, the Ferris wheel was taken down for some off-season maintenance this year. Now some ground footage of the building, which from this angle really shows how tall the supports are. It's going to be a huge building. Now flying ALTair and turning it around. We're going to do one other pass by, flyover of the roof again as we're bringing it back. As I mentioned, one half of the building is shorter than the other. You can see down the area where the Midway tent normally is. The shell still is there, obviously, and they're using that area just for, it looks like some construction vehicles and some equipment and other construction-related things. ALTair coming in for a landing now. Being spun around and a little wave from me there. Okay, that wraps up our 10th Laff Trakk construction update. Thank you for watching. Our next update should feature some more steel supports for the building continuing to go up, as well as probably some more steel for the roof of the building. So, to be notified first for our next update, as well as other coaster projects, make sure you like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, subscribe on our YouTube, as well as register on our family-friendly forums. I'm Brandon, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you everyone!